everyone, welcome back. So today's episode of Seher Hone Ko Hai delivers an emotional mix of sacrifice, dreams, heartbreak, and unspoken love as Seher achieves a major milestone in her studies, while Mahid once again hides his own feelings for her happiness. The episode begins right after the emotional confrontation between Seher and Mahid. Seher refuses to let Mahid walk away without answering her question. She directly asks him whether he truly agreed to marry Nazima only for her sake. At first, Mahid avoids eye contact and remains silent, hoping the conversation will end there. But Seher refuses to back down and demands the truth. Finally, Mahid admits everything. He tells Seher that he is willing to sacrifice anything if it helps secure a better future for her, whether it is his happiness, his dreams, or even his own life. He is ready to give up everything for her sake. His words completely shatter Seher emotionally. Instead of feeling grateful, she becomes angry and hurt. She tells Mahid that he never thinks about himself and keeps destroying his own happiness for others. Seher makes it clear that she never wanted him to sacrifice his life for her. Fighting tears, she walks away, leaving Mahid standing alone with his pain and emotions. For Mahid, watching her leave feels like another heartbreak he cannot express openly. Later, the mood becomes lighter as Seher excitedly tries to check her examination results online. But poor network signals create complete chaos. She keeps running from one corner to another, holding her phone higher in the air and desperately searching for a connection. The funny struggle brings some relief after the emotional confrontation. From a distance, Mahit notices her panic and quietly checks the results himself. The moment he sees the marks, a proud smile appears on his face. Meanwhile, Seher finally manages to connect with her mother, Kausar. Excitedly, she tells her that the website has finally loaded. After checking the score, Seher says she lost 6 marks. Hearing this, Kausar immediately becomes worried and fears Seher may have failed. But Seher quickly clarifies that she actually passed with excellent marks and only feels disappointed because she narrowly missed a perfect score. Kausar's fear instantly turns into pride and happiness. Mother and daughter emotionally celebrate together, dancing joyfully and forgetting their struggles for a few precious moments. Watching them from the balcony, Mahit cannot stop smiling. Seeing Seher happy brings him peace even if he chooses to remain distant from her life. Before leaving for work, Kausar blesses Seher. Seher then shares her dream of becoming a doctor and promises that one day she will earn enough so her mother never has to struggle again. Elsewhere, Mahid notices Dada Huzur ordering servants to remove all of Wasim's belongings from the house because he wants no reminders of him left behind. But Mahid disagrees. He says simply removing belongings will not bring justice because Wasim still has not confessed his crimes or faced real punishment. Dada Huzur then reminds Mahid about his responsibilities as the future Mufti and insists he attend an important community meeting. Husna tries stopping him, saying Mahid is emotionally exhausted and needs rest, but Dada Huzur firmly rejects the idea and says leadership responsibilities cannot be avoided. Mahid quietly agrees. Meanwhile, another relationship falls apart. Farid begins packing his belongings despite Sukrana begging him to stay. He clearly tells her that their marriage is over and divorce is now unavoidable. Sukrana accuses him of wanting a future with Kausar and Amal, but Farid angrily denies the accusation before walking away. Later, Kausar emotionally apologizes to Amal for her past mistake and promises she will always stand by her daughter whenever needed. Then comes another emotional moment between Mahid and Seher. Seher sarcastically tells Mahid that he has spent days avoiding her, so she wonders why he suddenly approached her now. Without saying much, Mahid hands her a key. He reveals that it belongs to a collection of books that once belonged to Ghazala. According to him, those books were his mother's greatest treasure, and he believes Seher deserves them more than anyone else. The gesture immediately melts Seher's anger. Mahid then reveals that he already saw her exam results earlier. Proudly, he congratulates her and encourages her to continue her education and chase every dream she has. But the conversation suddenly becomes emotional again. Seher reminds Mahid how he once seemed against women's education and career. Back then, she believed he wanted women restricted to traditional roles. Her words deeply hurt Mahit. He angrily walks away and Seher instantly regrets bringing up the painful topic because she understands that many of his beliefs were shaped by the trauma surrounding his mother's death. Just when it seems the conversation has ended, Mahit returns. This time he finally opens his heart slightly. He quietly tells Seher that she is the only person with whom he can speak honestly about his mother. That one confession says everything. Despite all the distance, pain, and sacrifices between them, Seher remains the only person who truly understands Mahid's hidden wounds. And with both of them trapped between love, sacrifice, and destiny, today's emotional episode comes to an end. Thank you for watching. Bye.